In this video, I want to talk about how you can improve YouTube TV streaming quality. Now, there are some different things that you can try to improve the quality if you're experiencing bad quality. Now, let me quickly show you the first one, which is to check your internet speed. So if you have really slow internet speed, usually you will get very bad quality. So try and check for your internet speed and make sure that's not the case. So you can just go on any Google page and search for test my internet speed, and there will be many ones that can test it. And if you have good internet speed, then it's probably not this one. If you have bad speed though, it's probably this one, and you should upgrade your internet. Now, what you can do if you have good internet speed is you can try and adjust the video settings. So you can do it from your TV or from your mobile device or from your computer. So on smart TVs, you just want to do this right here. Open any video, go to the menu player and go to settings. Select the video quality and choose high if you have the option. Now for mobile devices, there should be 3 dots, which is the settings, and you should be able to choose the quality from in there. Now the last one, which is an add-on that you can pay for, is you can enable the 4K, which is one that you have to subscribe to. So on your YouTube TV account, you can subscribe to the 4K Plus add-on, which makes you eligible to watch in 4K. Now keep in mind that your TV needs to be able to handle this, but a lot of the TVs these days can do that. So that is basically how that works. Now keep in mind, only some channels are actually available in the 4K one, so just keep that in mind. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.